following message was transmitted at the request of insect researchers. One report of a beetle in someone's basement. The basement is unknown at this time. I think the basement is one of my friend's basement. Stay tuned for more updates.
Here's some secret apps they
The following message was transmitted at the request of the insect researchers and one of my friends. The basement has been identified at this time. The basement is the name of a 10-year-old boy named Colton. Colton is very terrified to see this, so he decided to text his mom many times, and then end up calling his mom. And he said there is a bee-like insect in my basement. I believe it's a parasite that will mind control the objects of the solar system. Some characters, some logos something. Stay tuned for more following updates on the Beatle.
Here's some secret apps.
Pain.
All clear for Colton. I repeat, all clear for Colton. Something fantastic happened to Colton. The following message was transmitted at the request of the insect researchers and the one who's terrified of the beetle. The beetle has been squashed by Pillow from the power of two. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Some character squashed the beetle. That is fantastic for one of my friends. Will it return? Will it get mad? Will it get an upgrade? Let's find out in another message. Stay tuned on what is going to happen to the beetle. Like I said, will it return? Will it get mad? Or will it get an upgrade?
We interrupt your regular programming. This is the most dangerous national emergency of all time. Important details will follow.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the insect researchers and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The beetle did one of the three things. The beetle has returned. The beetle got mad. The beetle got an upgrade. The beetle turned into a spider. I repeat, the beetle turned into a spider. Eddie also turned into a parasite that will corrupt the objects of the solar system, the characters from different universes, logos, even robots and humans, and they'll say the word, all hail Beetle multiple times, and also they will have cyan eyes. Do you know why? That's because the beetle is mind controlling everyone, and that's because the beetle is cyan. Stay tuned for more updates.
Hello everyone, it's me, Paul Dickinson. And here's some breaking news. And the update of the beetle returned. It turned into a parasite spider. We don't know how it got here. But I don't know how this happening. And thousands of reports of affected people, robots, logos, and characters from different universes have been breaking in people's homes. Even in countries such as Canada, Mexico, Japan, Russia, China, and even South Africa, or North Africa. They could travel in the speed of light. I repeat, they could travel at the speed of light.
Oh,
Thanks to the Beatle.
Beetle.
Stay tuned for more updates on this situation.
Beetle.
Oh my god, what is that noise?
Hail,
I think
Beetle.
one infected logo is heading towards me. Run for your lives.
Beetle.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Russian government and the Russian insect researchers. The beetle that was rolling around the United States is spreading all over the world, causing it to multiply, and it is making people robots characters from different universes logo the live and objects in the solar system. Oh, and by the way, that is not all. The beetle has infected all of the moons of the solar system, and they are going to have a collision course. I mean the biggest collision course with the Earth. The moon has drifted away in space from this situation. That is because the moon was scared. All the infected people, robots, characters, logos and moods are going to kill us all. We'll play our final play of our national anthem. Please stand by. I repeat, please stand by.
Interrupted regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
mission at all times, Earth. There's no way we could also stop this situation. This is the end of the world as we know it. We'll play our final play of our national anthem. Please stand by.
Can you see my God where he lies? What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose cross Christ and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the rampart we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red